Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a cheesy spinach and paneer puff pastry. Cheesy spinach and paneer puff pastry is certainly very delicious. A great item to keep in hand in the freezer in case you have unexpected company or need a quick yet impressive brunch dish. This recipe is also quite healthy as it contains spinach, which is full of iron, and paneer, which is full of protein. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So for a cheesy spinach and paneer puff pastry today, we will need 200 grams of finely chopped and washed spinach, 150 grams of grated paneer, 50 grams of coriander, 50 grams of grated cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon nigella seeds, also known as kalonji, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a puff pastry. Now we're going to take a heated pan and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any cooking oil if you wish. This is just to add a nice taste. Then we're going to add in our cumin seeds and half of our nigella seeds. We're going to use the other half in garnishing at the end. Along with our garlic paste. Then we're going to saute it for around 30 seconds. Once your garlic has been sauteed for a good 30 seconds, then we're going to add in our spinach and our coriander. Along with salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Then we're going to mix it well and cook it for a couple of minutes. So once your spinach is nicely cooked, we're going to add in our paneer. We've grated this paneer. You can add in small cubes or pieces of paneer as well. Then we're going to mix it well. Once you've mixed it well, we're going to turn off the heat and let it cool down on a room temperature before we add in our cheddar cheese. So whilst our spinach and paneer mixture is cooling, we're going to lay out our pastry. We are using a ready-made one, but obviously you can make one at home as well. This is our puff pastry. We're just going to sprinkle some nigella seeds, also known as kalonji. And we're just going to roll it in so they're nicely pressed inside. And then we're going to flip it over. We're just going to cut them into some pieces. So our mixture has cooled down to room temperature. We're going to add in our grated cheddar cheese and just mix it in. This is just so that the cheese doesn't melt before we put the pastry into the oven. Once this is all mixed in nicely, we're going to start filling in our pastries. So we're just going to put a spoonful of our mixture into the middle. Don't overstuff it, otherwise it might come out of the pastry or open up whilst we're cooking it. Then we're just going to take some milk and brush the corners. This is so that it sticks together nicely. And we're just going to take the 4 corners and stick it together like this. You can shape it a little bit as well, so it looks nice as well. In the same way, we're going to do the rest. You can just seal all the pockets by pressing the dough a little bit. And in the same way, we're going to do the rest. So you can just gently join it together. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. So we've put all of our pastries into a tray. We're just going to brush a little bit of milk on top so they don't get burned. And then we're going to put it in a preheated oven on 180 degrees for around 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes and we're going to take it out of the oven. As you can see, it's nicely done and it looks really delicious. Now it's time for plating. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!